Alright everybody, I want to do an update. I just realized after I've been working for about 45 minutes to an hour on this, while I was shaping it, the camera shut off somehow. Then I realized, oh hey wait, guess what, my battery's dead, so that's why. But, so far the progress. Inletting is basically done. I'm just getting the shape of everything and starting to form the shape here. Gate opens and closes. I've got to remove quite a bit of wood here, get the trigger guard and let it in. But for the most part, the barrel is all set. I just need to finish shaving this down so it's going to be level with here, and start shaping the wrists, getting the pistol grip cut out, and then start shaping the actual stock. And then in the end, we'll put the butt plate on, and then the gun will be ready to go. So, yeah, next time I'll make sure that the camera's on a little bit better and make sure the battery's fully charged. So we'll see you guys on the next video.